Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. Now we will see about value expression. Value expressions. In value expressions, no, it's very easy concept. See how we used to assign the values in our previous cases. Now how I am going to assign now the values with help of this value expression. Okay, that we will see in this today, in this class, in this session. Okay, first let me write my sample code for that value expression. SC38 value expression old. Okay, click on create. Value expressions, executable program, save, local object. Now I am writing a old code. How we used to write our old code. See, first I'll declare my one structure. See, begin of ty one str. I will say I will take IPL teams as an example. I will say t type character length is equals to some 10 characters. Next one is see captain type c length is equals to some 15 characters. Next one I will say score type is equals to integer. End of ty str. Okay, this is my structure. For this structure what I am doing is I am going to declare work area type ty str. Next one is one internal table type table of ty one str. Okay, this is my structure. This is my work area. This is my internal table. Now what I am going to do is, let me pass values like this. Work area team is equals to, I will say SRH. Work area see captain is equals to, I will say Pat Cummins. Work area score is equals to some, I will say 57, something, some random score. Append work area to my internal table. See, clear my work area. This is how I have entered my first record. In the same way, let me enter some more data. Second one is CSK. Next one is Dhoni. I will say 75. Okay, in the same way, let me paste RCB. This one is Kohli. This one I will give as 80. Okay. Next one is Mumbai. I will give some Mumbai. This one is Sachin. Okay. This one is 90. Something. Okay. Some scores I am giving. See, this is how I used to pass my values. This is how I used to randomly pass my values. I mean, I am filling into my work area. From work area, I am filling into my internal table like this. Now, if I want to print what I am doing, see, loop at IT into work area, end loop. Now write work area of team, comma work area of captain. See, work area of score. Clear statement. Work area. See, activate. See, let me execute. See, whatever the data I have given as an input, I am getting like this. This is my what? This is my old code. Can I see? Now I will replace this assignment. See, same code I will be using, but I will replace this filling my internal table. See, this one is filling my internal table. filling my internal table data. Internal table data. See this logic, let me write in the same with the new syntax. Okay, now let's go back to, let me open one more session, SC38, the same value expression part 1. I'll say new code, new, click on create, new value expression, okay, something, description, executable program, save, local object. Now what I am going to do is, now I am writing new syntax. New syntax. See, same code I am writing. Okay, let me write the same code. See, I am declaring my structure and my work area and internal table. See, like this. Now what I want to do is, now I want to fill my internal table. Now I want to fill my internal table. So what I will do, internal table is equals to, internal table is equals to value. You see here, see one important point I want to say you here is, if your internal table is already declared, if your internal table is already declared with the data, means memory is already allotted. If any memory is already allotted, then what we have to do is, we have to give hash here. We have to give hash. Okay, very important topic, very important point. If you have already declared, internal table with the data, you please give hash. See, data. Okay, if it is not declared, that I will show you in the next demo. If it is not declared, what we have to do, that I will show you in the next demo. See here, comma, see team is equals to, I will say CSK. Same, next one is CAPT. Next one is captain. See, CAPT means in single line I can give my values. See, Dhoni. Okay, score is equals to, I will say 77. See, this is my first record. Okay, let's remove the space. The same thing, click on enter, same thing, click on enter. Like this, you can pass n number of values, and bracket, finally bracket close, full stop, bracket close and full stop. See, in the previous example, we have passed the values into work area. Okay, from work area, what we did, we manually append work area to internal table. But here, see, I am passing in one shot. See, let me give Mumbai Indians. Okay, let me give, SRH. Let me give, Delhi Daredevils. Let me give RCB. Let me give, Punjab. Okay, Mumbai Sachin, RCB Pat, DD Shehwag, next RCB is Kohli, Punjab is Maxwell. I'll say Maxwell. Okay, I'm giving some random names, guys. Some 88, some 50 Su, some I'll give 50, some 60, I'll give 67. Like this, some random values. I'll give 80. Some this one is 100, for example, 100. Okay, now what I will do, now where is my data? My data is in internal table. See, loop at IT into work area, end loop. See, right, work area of team, comma, work area of captain, work area of score, clear work area, activate, save, check and activate. See, no errors. Apply pretty printer, no errors. Activate, execute. See, let me put a breakpoint and show you, guys. Let me put a breakpoint here. Let me show you. Execute. See, in one shot. See, let me show you again. let me execute. I kept a breakpoint here. See, I am clicking on F5. As soon as I click on F5, see, all the data is getting filled into this internal table. This part you know it, how to loop and all. Okay, this is the first thing. I told you one more point. If your internal table is not defined, there is no data. Okay, this is syntax 1, new syntax 1. Let me take one more example. Let me take SE38. See, new syntax point 2. See, click on create. I have declared only the structure. New syntax. Okay, part 2. Executable program. Save. Local object. Now here what I will do is, I am just declaring my structure. See, but I am not passing any work area. I am not passing any internal table. See, new syntax. Okay, second. Okay, now see, I will write like, as we have already seen, I can give inline declaration. Data, my internal table is equals to value, and I can give hash. In the previous example, what I did, I have given as a hash here. When I have given the hash, if the internal table is already declared before this statement, I am giving as a hash. Now what system is expecting is, okay, let me write the same code. Let me copy the same code here. See, copy the same code. See, now the same code. See, copy the same code. Now let me try to activate this. See, system is throwing an error. See, no type can be derived from the context of the operator value. Means, what is the meaning of this is, see, generally inline declaration means what? Based on the incoming value, system will create what? Memory. If it is a integer or it is a character, it is creating like this based on my incoming value. But here you see, you are getting multiple fields. And this internal table should get created automatically based on these fields. In this case, what we have to do is, in the previous example, what we did, we are not giving inline declaration of this internal table. We are just assigning the values to the internal table. But in this case, what I am going to do is, see, types, you say me, I want to declare one internal table. Okay, with what? TT str, type standard table of ty str. Just declare table type, guys, just with empty key. That's it. This is a table type. Create a table type. That's it. Table type. This table type, see, table type will not have any memory, guys. This is structure, and the table type will not have any memory, that you already know it. Okay, see, this table type I'll just pass to my hash. This option, when you will give, guys, when you are going to with this option, if your internal table also declared inline declaration, means it is not declared on the top. If it is already declared on the top, you just give hash. You can just directly give hash. Now let us try to print loop at it into work area. Work area is also not declared, so I will give dynamically into end loop. Now write work area of team, work area of captain, work area of score, clear work area. That's it. Clear work area. Now you activate. Guys. Okay, let me first show you the output. See, I am getting output like this. See, let me put a breakpoint here. See, activate. And one more important thing, please be conscious. See, guys, internal table. See, internal table is like this. Now if I click on F5, see automatically the data will get filled automatically. Okay, now this is my data, it will be filled. And always be conscious about this bracket space. See, if you don't use spaces now, it will give error. So always give required space. How much space the brackets are expecting, please provide them that many spaces. Okay, yeah, that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you.